Sure looks like a fire to me. See it? You see the red? Look at the red. Yeah, that's a fire, baby.
Looks like a fire over there.
Sure does, doesn't it? You can kind of see the red, right? The glow of the red on the bottom. That is one big fire, huh? Coming into Reno, on the California side. Now we went up and over the pass, so down into Reno, Southern California. Wow! Betcha, see that white top? That used to be just a thundercloud. Okay, Nevada, right there. Yeah, caught the sun. That was just a cloud, and then I think lightning came down at the start of this one. Sure seemed like it. Who knows what's on the other side of those mountains? Who knows what's on the other side of those mountains? Coming in for a cup of coffee in a boomtown, and it's right there, man. I bet you they're worried. We're in Boomtown, right outside Reno, and that just started about an hour ago as we were coming over the mountain. And it's pretty windy, and it is blowing this way. Blowing right towards this casino, right there. Wonder if that's a structure fire in there, huh? There it is, still burning. This place lost power right during our meal. Something burned down. It's a mammoth fire going northeast. So the wind changes, we're gonna get nailed. But until the wind changes, we're okay. Look at that.
Yeah.
Looky there. We're in Sparks, Nevada. Gives a whole new meaning to the word Sparks, Nevada.
She's got a Subaru too.